How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers full tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and timeline, or you pin an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, this one or that one. So you can find here over 300K of followers, and here we have a lot of likes, comments. So believe it or not, it's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist, and you can earn money by using this AI influencer. So dive into the world of AI influencers where virtual personalities are defining the roles of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script, and a lot of AI influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step, you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here hygiene.com. So it's an AI-based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type Haiji.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so you can select the one you want. And here we have a lot of information about the website, so you can read it to get more information, or you can just scroll over here and you will understand more how this website works. And here we have, as you can see, a lot of avatars or AI avatar, I mean AI character. So if you want to sign up, you can just click as I said, and you can enter your email and verification code, and then you will answer for a few questions, then you will finish your signing up or inscription. So all you have to do is follow the steps and it will lead you to this home page. So let's come back to the home page. So this is the page you will got we got. So this is here we have recent creations, my recent creations, and here we have Haitian learning guide, so you can get more information about Haitian. For example, more understand AI studio, video avatar, AI voice, video translation, or you can just scroll down and you will find here templates. So if you want a templates, for example, mobile app, diversity, equity, so it's depend on your content, so you can choose the one suits you, the one you want. Or here we have the avatars if you wanna generate one, so you can just click over here to go to do studio avatar. So you can click here and it will lead you to various different AI characters. So as you can see here, we have various character that you can choose to um, start with it. So you can start with your AI influencer by selecting the one suit you more or the one you like. So as you can see here, we have various one. So here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar or get avatar ID, and here we have if you want to create your video avatar, so you can click on landscape if you want to start with YouTube. So as you can see, there's a lot of options that you can adjust to edit your video. So here we have if you wanna put your AI character on the left or on the right or on the middle. Here we have animation if you wanna effect on enter or effect on leave, and also if you wanna add the script, so you can just delete that one and add your script. You can use GPT for a script, so it will help you to uh, added one, so you can just click and select the topic that you want, and it will help you to create a script. So then you will find here this icon, so you can just click over here and you will add another script. The same thing here. So if you want to add a pause section, if you want to hear added recording, or if you want to upload audio. For the translation, if you want to translate all scripts, you can translate the language that you want. And here we have the voice that you want, or that you will choose. So here we have various voices, so it's depend on your character that you choose. For example, we choose already female, that's why female appear here on the gender, and you can choose the language, so it's depend on your content. And then the age, is it child or youth voice, middle age voice, older voice. And also for function, pausing supported, adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. And here we have a various type of voices, so you can choose natural one, explainer, ads, audiobooks, learning, e-learning, narration, games. So you can choose the one you want. So then you will uh, edit your video, and then you will click on submit, and you will download your video, and then you can publish it on your YouTube channel. So there is a various idea. Then you can start with your AI influencer, for example affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnership, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referred links. So you can just choose the brand you want, and then you will promote their product and um, services, then you will get your commission. Or you can just simply create a video guide using an AI influencer, for example, like that one. You can name it, and then you will start making video guide. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial, for example, intelligence, to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you will start scripting. You will write a script for your video guide, or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.